Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your Plantronics Backbeat Pro so quiet? And firstly, I recommended to clean the grill. At this channel we have video how to clean these earbuds. If you don't know how, you can check this video, but shortly you need to remove ear tips from your earbuds, from the left and right earbuds, and right here we have the grill. So clean it. You can use a brush, or if you have a clean tool, you can use a toothbrush. So clean it. Next step. Maybe the problem is just that your earbuds too old, and maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem only for the one earbud, we can do something. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. So we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to Apple device. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part also to find a similar path. Now, on your Android, open settings, and then you need to go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Sorry, I missed, I don't know why I tell you this, so we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and you need to find audio adjustment. Enter here, and right here I have audio balance. So if you have the problem with the right earbud, you can just move this dot to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. But if you use 100% for your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. And it's the same with the left one. If you have the problem with the left one, just move this dot to the left, test it, what will be a good one for you, to have the same volume for on both earbuds, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. Now that's it for Android. Let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, you need to go to the settings, and then we need to find accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down again, and right here we have volume balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. But you need to test to have the same volume on both of your earbuds. And if you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. Now, if you have this problem with the right earbud, just move this dot to the right, and it's the same. So we just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.